Good afternoon, investors, traders, former students. Welcome back. Greg Capra here, creator of the Pristine Method of Trading. Now we're over at mastertrader.com doing great things. Get signed up for our letters. On a side note, guys, sorry I'm being a little out of breath here. Just got off the spinning bike, getting in some exercise, feeling good. But catching my breath here trying to do this video and just updating the markets for you, see where things are at. Ahead of the holidays, right now the S&P's looking great. We've got just about a measured move up. Getting consolidating here, big pop in volume, no move based on that, so a little concerned. If you haven't read the letters, do get signed up. As I've reported, the internals did give us a bearish signal last week. We did have the bullish signal right down here. The day of the low, we got the signal. Markets took off the next day, where everyone was looking for a push down here to this 2000 level. That the internal said that wasn't happening, and historically they've been just spot on. You can't ignore them. You actually have to pay attention to them, because that's how they've led us to the pot of gold over the years, so to speak. And there was the wide range bar igniting up. There's the volume, little consolidation at resistance, push up, little minor pullback. I really thought it would pull back to that little shelf there. Don't have the 20 MA on it, but the 20 MA was right there, and it didn't quite get there. Pushed up again, wide range bar, igniting again, not a wide range bar, ending, and now more consolidation, suggesting it can go higher yet. Now, we've got, the world waiting for the party for the push up above 20,000. Will it happen? Maybe. I wouldn't bet against it, even though the internals are at a bearish extreme. Historically, it usually doesn't happen on the first try, or if it does, it pushes up above the big level, and then it comes right back in, and that's a great sell setup in of itself for a short-term pullback. Now, we got the holidays coming up this weekend, and the new year coming, and end of month, beginning of month. You typically don't get big corrections at that time. So let's keep that in mind, even though we do have, the internals telling us, hey, it's time to take some money off the table, maybe even selling covered calls on positions that look good. That's on a case-by-case basis, of course, but we'll see if we can get through here. In any event, it's certainly not a breakout that it's advisable to buy at this point. If anything, we'd want to sell into it. NASDAQ 100 finally joining the party. A little push up there, churn. Bit of a topping tail today on the push up, so selling into a little bit of strength there, but couldn't break any support, so no real damage done. We'll move that up there to that minor support. Put a line in the sand there at that 4,900 level. And as I always like to look at what the transports are doing, they look good. And you know what? If you were reading the letter down here, when I said the internals are telling us end of year rally ahead, where the rest of the world was looking for, the S&Ps to go down to 2,000, bigger correction, I said that wasn't happening. Relative strength in the transports, internals said buy, off to the races, wide range bar igniting. And here we got a bit of a wide range bar ending and a pullback, and I don't like pullbacks into the bottom of a wide range bar. But we'll see what this does. A lot of times the transports give a bit of a divergence, as the markets push higher, and that might be what's happening, right now. So we'll see what goes on there. Financials still looking good. I think these look good into 2017, and one of my focuses into the new year, which I'll be reporting on more with a lot of recommendations in this sector as well as others. So, all right, guys, with that being said, if we don't talk or I don't give another update before the holidays, we wish you the best for you and your families. Terrific holiday, and we're glad to have you back in the fold, and we're going to be doing some great things in 2017, and glad to have you with us. Have a great night, everybody.